Welcome back to Allen's Coin Rings. Fixing to do the powder coating on those two peso rings. I got them made. So I got this idea here from a guy named Paulie. I don't remember what he goes by on the other, but he's got several videos out there where he's made rings. So I turn power on my powder coater, Harbor Freight powder coater. So I got a negative hooked up there. I got a little foot pedal to activate it. I'm using Iced Candy Blue from Prismic Powders. You can see the nice blue, and I use to load the brush up. And I just kind of tap it. Pull it out here, see what we got. Yeah, it looks a little thin on that side. Hang it back up again. Yeah, it doesn't look too shabby. Go ahead and hang that in the oven and set this one up here to powder coat it real quick. I haven't rigged up enough of these silicone plugs yet for the third one. This is for the order that I've got. Okay, let that flow out for a minute. It usually only takes a minute or so, and then after that, then I'll have to do my sanding on it. And got them in there just under 400. I'm going to pause the video, and once that flows, I'll do my sanding, and then I may go ahead and bring it back up. Might go ahead and get my third one, or my ring on there too. Went ahead and made me up a little peso. This is the first time I use this iced candy blue. Yeah, iced candy blue. So I'll resume it when I get there. Okay, I've got those 3 rings all sanded out. It's focusing in very well or not. Still got the gloves on because I'm going to now put a coat of clear powder coat on them. Prismic Powders Clear Vision. See, now I'm using a different kind of hook because I'm clear coating the inside too. It's copper nickel, but I think it's alloyed together, so by rights it really shouldn't turn the finger green. But just to make sure, I'll go ahead and clear coat it. Here's one of the other ones. This is the 5 peso. Pretty well coated. And her ring, this is the 8.5. Bring it up. And this one I have to let it flow out. I'm trying to powder coat it. I'm not pushing on the pedal. There we go. Now it's sticking. Okay, that should be that. Looks like real good coverage. Okay, shut the door. So now I just have to let that cook till it flows out, and then I need to turn the temperature down to about, I have about 400 to start, turn it down to 350 once that flows out. It's flowing out on the first ring already. I don't know if that side of the oven's hotter than the rest. And right now it's only about 300 in there. But I'll go ahead and pause this again, and then I'll show you what I got when I pull them out of there and they cool off. So, be back in a minute. Okay, I'm back. I've got them all clear coat on there. Okay, these are the little hooks I made. Has some real stiff wire. Soldered them together so they kind of spring on the inside of the coin. So it's only the tips that touch it. This one didn't come out looking too bad. I guess you can hopefully you can see that. I think the clear coat over it makes it, helps to give it a nice gloss. And here's the 5 peso. I'm not sure if I'm real happy with the way this one turned out, but part of it looks pretty good. It is what it is anyway. If he doesn't like it, I got another one. I can try it again if he's not happy with it. I think I can do a better job than that. That one kind of went wonky on me as I was making it anyway. And here's one for her. Well, it focuses. I don't know if it's going to focus. May not be able to get it very close. Powder coating opens up a lot of options. You can go with a lot of different colors. Yeah, this top reed looks pretty good here, but then over here it looks like it kind of went wide and kind of got down into the letters. Not sure if you can see that or not. Anyway, thanks for stopping by and taking a look at my videos. So my coin rings. This first I've made in probably about 2-3 months. I haven't made too many through the summer, just a couple. So here's a mess. It's pretty hot, pretty warm in here, and the fan's over there. You can probably hear it in the background. I'll go ahead and put these in a bag and take them to work with me tomorrow and see what he thinks. If he doesn't like them, I'll go ahead and make a couple more. First time I've done the blue, so it doesn't look too bad. I made one, used black powder coat. It came out looking really good. There's just one spot where the detail was real thin, and kind of sanded into the background a little bit, trying to, you know, just get that last little bit off the letter. But it never did. So if you found this video entertaining or, I don't know, educational, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll try to get something uploaded every week if possible. I get busy on projects all the time, and who knows, I might just add some of these other projects to some of these videos, some of these projects. I got several things lined up I want to do. I want to add on to the workshop, and I got several things around the yard I want to do. So partially it's been too hot to do too much. Been getting up there at the heat index in the hundreds. So hot and humid here in Oklahoma. So I'll get off of here and end this video, and we'll see you next time. Till then, happy ringing.